Hey, I'm Tony Zach with Benjamin Franklin Plumbing in Myrtle Beach. Why is my hot water heater making a rumbling sound? Rumbling sounds can be an indication that sediment has built up on the bottom of the water heater. Water can become trapped in this sediment and begin to boil. This means the water heater is not operating efficiently and the sediment isn't allowing the heat to transfer to the water in your tank. Contact your Benjamin Franklin plumber for replacement and repair options and solutions.